over and over and over, year after year.
Okay, so let's begin. Now, before you can edit, the first thing you need to do is you need to research. Alright, so once you've gathered all the information, you've put them in your Word document or your Google Docs, whatever medium you're using, then we can begin. Alright? For today's demonstration, we're going to use these few paragraphs, combine them into one suitable paragraph to bring a specific point across. Alright, so for this assignment, the rubric asked for us to explain the roles and function of education systems in Jamaica. So Jamaica is the region. So let's go. Number 1, highlight the needed information. So when you're looking for necessary information, you're looking for the who, what, when, where, and hows. So let's read through this, and I'm going to be highlighting all the necessary information. So the what, it's also known as preschool. It's non-compulsory. That's important. Offered both public and private. Now, step number 2, delete all the information that you do not need once you are sure that you don't need it. So for example, this paragraph that you don't need any at all, you can just go ahead and delete it, and this one we can delete it as well. Alright, that was pretty easy. I think that's the easiest step. Deleting after highlighting this information. Now step 3, yeah, there are my fingers. Step 3, you need to rephrase the information in your own words. So let's try that. Early childhood education. Instead of saying also known, for this one we could say is otherwise known as. Otherwise known as, right? We could have that. Otherwise known as preschool. Now we need to have this part about it being non-compulsory, and we need to say that it is offered at the public and private level. But do we have to say that first? No. You can create your own structure in which you present your information. So for me, when I was doing this assignment, when I was presenting the information, I always spoke about what it is, the age group that they cater to, which institutions offer this level of education, and then I speak further into the curriculum. So I created that structure for my paragraphs for this particular assignment. So that would be intertwined in this step. Create your structure for your paragraph and stick with it. So if someone is reading your assignment, the person should know that for each paragraph, this student will be giving me the age first, she'll be giving me that next, that next, that next. You follow it in chronological order. Put it that way. It makes for a better read and a better presentation of your essays. Alright? So, as I said, I'm going with the age first. So I'm going to say this level of education caters to children. The more highlighted information you're seeing, the closer you're getting to actually having a paragraph that is having all your information, yet it is not as bulky as your source. Alright, the next step, read over and check to see if it is that there's anything that you need to add, subtract, or just edit. Simple things like punctuation. So we covered the who, what, when, where, and how. So thank you guys for watching, and I wish you all the best in your future assignments, papers, and whatever documents or that you would use this information for. Thank you for watching EduTech 2020. Bye guys.